The Galaxy S25 Ultra is here to revolutionize your smartphone experience with two major upgrades. Get ready for a game-changing gaming feature and a seamless system update that will make everything smoother. Let's dive right in. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Touch Trove. Let's kick things off with the leaked launch date of the Galaxy S25 series. According to reports from South Korean media, Samsung is planning its Unpacked event for January 22, 2025 in San Francisco, USA. This launch is slightly later than the Galaxy S24, which debuted on January 17 this year. At this event, Samsung will unveil the S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. There's also buzz about a Galaxy S25 Slim making a surprise appearance, though it might not hit the shelves until Q2 of 2025. Plus, Samsung is expected to showcase its highly anticipated XR glasses, marking a bold entry into the world of extended reality. Fire game mode that gamers will love. Here's some exciting news for mobile gamers. Leaks suggest Samsung is working on a brand new game mode in One UI. The star of this feature is frame interpolation technology, which enhances frame rates for a silky smooth experience. Imagine your games jumping from 60 Hz to 120 Hz without needing extra power or causing your device to overheat. This tech will allow games capped at 60 FPS to run at 120 FPS, providing buttery smooth visuals on the Galaxy S25. Samsung's Game Assist tool will let you enable this feature effortlessly, making the S25 a dream device for gaming enthusiasts. Rocket seamless updates with A/B partitioning. The Galaxy S25 is also introducing seamless firmware updates using the A/B system partitioning. Here's how it works. Your phone will update in the background on a secondary partition while you continue using the primary one. Once the update is complete, the phone will instantly switch to the updated partition, eliminating long boot times and interruptions. Worried about storage? Don't be. This feature only requires about 100 kilobytes of additional space, virtually nothing. Samsung has already rolled this out to newer devices like the Galaxy A55, and now it's coming to the S25 lineup for faster, hassle-free updates. Glowing star more leaks and confirmed features. Base S25 model gets 12 GB of RAM. The Galaxy S25 was spotted on Geekbench confirming 12 GB RAM, aligning perfectly with earlier rumors. Snapdragon processors for all regions, no Exynos confusion here. The entire S25 lineup will feature Snapdragon processors globally. Samsung was testing the Exynos 2500, but production issues mean an 80% failure rate for the chip. Because of this, Exynos won't power the S25 series. However, Samsung might outsource future Exynos chips to TSMC for better results. This shift could help Samsung stay competitive, avoiding a Qualcomm monopoly that might lead to skyrocketing chip prices. And that's all the big news on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Are you excited about the gaming upgrades and seamless updates? Let us know in the comments. If you're curious about Samsung's latest tech, check out our in-depth review of the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra right here, backhand index pointing right, add link. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.